This next contestant, as I mentioned before, is Miss Tongatapu number 2, Miss Sosefina Fatai Manu Leja. Now, Miss Tongatapu number 2, she will perform for you tonight what she does best, interacting and helping people. Customer service is number 1. She will do this by being your flight attendant for tonight, and we will be flying with the beautiful Tonga Airlines. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss Tongatapu number 2.
Ni ko mai tai mi ni e wa sei si te unga flight attendants ai se to ata Sosefina piwa kula pe foki ki ono scafi e kia.
Interacting with people. I remember growing up seeing my auntie working as a flight attendant for Royal Tongan Airline. The way she wore her uniform with pride. She looked professional and so beautiful. Beyond that is her attitude showing her care and her willing to serve others, whether at home, at work, or anywhere she goes. Right there and then, I knew this is me. This is my talent, a flight attendant, where I can show my love, my care, and willingness to help everyone everywhere. Flight attendant is all about customer service, but not just any customer service, professional, confident, charisma, and presentable customer service.
Koe kau pasese, koe kau leiti kotoa.
Please make your way to gate number 1. I repeat, passengers from 676 to gate number 1.
Oh my God. Are you right here now? Thank you. You'll be sitting in 2L for today? Thank you very much. Can I get everyone just to put their bags underneath as well, just for takeoff as well, please? Thank you very much. I'll just get you helping as well. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to beautiful Tonga Airline Flight 676. My name is Sosefina Fatai Moimoi, and I'll be your flight attendant for today. Can I get anything as well? What can I get you?
Going away, me au fe ba passes koe ni.
This is my last mini vacation to the Kingdom
Yes,
of
of
Tonga,
course.
and I haven't booked my accommodation. Can you please help me?
Of course, we have many beautiful hotels in Tonga. If you're looking to stay in the city, I can suggest the International Detail Hotel. We do have beautiful resorts as well. It's only 15 minutes away drive if you'd like to look at that one.
Are there any swimming pool there?
Of course, you can get your tanning on as well, beautiful. Don't worry about that. Hai petahine, perfect. Dah aku take apa pana tolong, iyo sa tolong mai eh. Hidup pakai saya, saya tolong.
Excuse me, can I have a drink, please?
What would you like to drink?
Would you drink?
I do suggest the igala, which is one of my favorite, also the maka as well.
Can I have some igala, please?
Of course. Would you like that with ice as well?
Oh, no thanks.
Perfect. I'll get it for you now. There you go. We have the igala for you as well.
No thanks.
Well,
Thank you.
Can I get anything else for that?
Mahalo ko hivo pe kau passes koe di koe plekli sai pe ya toi bawa pula.
This is my first trip to Tonga.
Yes.
And can you please help me? Can you help me?
How long have you been here for today? How long have you been here in Tonga?
I'll be there in Tonga for 1 week.
Oh, you're so in luck, actually. We actually have the Miss Heilala Festival where all the beautiful women here in Tonga come to
Ika e
celebrate
timoti
their
nau tol
culture.
ki he
Is it- We also
ki he
have
o tuanga o wha pe koe.
one of our culture as well, if that's okay. Anything else?
Can I be one of the contestants?
Of course. Maybe next year.
Thank you.
Can I get anything, anyone?
Malo lele.
Malo lele.
Wow, okay, still got Mississippi.
Oh, Mississippi. Those are big guy, yeah? Excited.
Malo apito.
Would you like anything? The captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please remain seated for takeoff. Hello. I can move.
Wow, for Tonga. Nice.
Ko ni ko kau passes lo tu wata ko toa. Pe mo se tu ata wha papa. Tau fonua lelei. Pau koe e
Kau pa sese o Tonga Airline. Nau hau me ngai whanua ke he o mamani ke nau mata ai beautiful Tonga.